Welcome back to another awesome video.
Today we just got a quick life hack video. If you may have seen one of our more popular videos was setting up all my internet wiring, and for most of these I ran a wire to a wall and put a wall plate on it and ran a patch cable, so very well structured wiring. But some places I just could not get to the wall to run the wire, so we're going to talk about a situation where we did a little life hack on that today. I got the Arylic S50 Pro Plus here, and it works great over Wi-Fi 90% of the time. The other 10% of the time I get a little problems because it'll connect to the wrong access point or something in my house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it in with Ethernet, but the problem is this wall that I'm on has floor above and you can't really get a cable to it. So I'm going to route it around the door. I've got a hub and a PC already on this wall, so I just got to get under that door frame and I can get right to it. Category 6 Ethernet cable is going to be too thick. I mean, if you step on the carpet, you're going to feel that in the door frame. So, and also I don't want to get into really taking that carpet up much. I just want to do the minimally invasive work of just getting the cable over here. So I found this flat cable on Amazon. Let's take a look at it. I think the phrase lost in translation really applies here. It's a network cable. Let's look at how they marketed this. Go online now without delay. Compatible with NAS, comma server, PC, modem, PS4, PS5 switch. That's not an official Sony PlayStation logo, I don't think. Check if the cable is well packaged. If there is any problem, next bullet point, please contact customer service directly. I prefer an indirect approach to customer service. If you need the report of our cables, please let us know. It's, I don't know, how would you pronounce that? Wuham and Mayo Sheng Shikin I give up. So we got the cable and some cable tacks. Oh, that's cool, they're flat. This is a very flat cable. So I'm gonna just try this metal fish tape and just go under the door. So this corner over here is behind the door, so I can pull that up a little bit more. This one over here, I'm going to try to do as little as possible too. I'm going to run the fish tape over, try to attach that cable then and pull it back, and we'll see how it works. About 3 minutes and 45 seconds elapsed on this project. I got the fish tape through over in the corner. I pulled it up basically where I could see the carpet pad. Over here, I used some pliers and just lifted it up until I could get it under, and then just carefully worked it over. Now we're going to tie this cable to it and pull it back through. This is the part that's going to be a challenge right here. Getting that big thick connector through here. Hopefully I won't have to cut the cable. 8 minutes and 35 seconds and we are through. We got that in. Well, we're through the main part. The rest is just going to be easy cleanup. I just had to pull it really carefully, and I used some needle nose pliers to lift up on the carpet. So we're going to pull that through, get the length right, and then make sure that it's flat and we can't feel it. Okay, so good news. I cannot feel this at all. I tried it with the category 6 cable. I could feel it. This one I cannot feel at all. It is just very flat. That's a good use for this flat cable. Okay, so it's all working. So we've got the Arylic hooked up using a wire now. It has a sleeker appearance without the Wi-Fi antennas and a more reliable connection, all for this very, very cheap flat cable. And I will leave a link, an affiliate link to this cable in the description. They have different links. This is a 25-foot cable, which was enough to get me from the stereo underneath the door back to the computer. Anyway, that's about it.
See you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.